Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're talking about something that can truly change your life. How to make more money. Not through shortcuts, not through luck, but through powerful truths that most people are never told. If you've been stuck, struggling, or just tired of not having enough, this video is for you. You're broke. And maybe you're not just broke in your bank account. Maybe you're broke in your confidence, broke in your energy, broke in your belief that life can ever be different. And no one talks about this version of being broke because everyone is busy pretending. Let's be real. You're tired of watching other people win. You're tired of fake gurus selling you shortcuts. You're tired of working hard and still not having enough. But here's the truth. Nobody will tell you. No one is coming to save you. Not your job, not your degree, not your family, not your government, not your goddamn horoscope. If you don't decide to become rich in mind, in skill, in focus, you will live and die in the same cycle of fear, salary, bills, and regret. And I'm not just talking about money. I'm talking about building a life where you are free. Free from fear. Free from begging. Free from playing small. Because let's be honest, you don't want money just for the numbers. You want money because you want control over your life. This video isn't about get rich quick. This is about never being broke again. And don't just watch this video. Feel every word. Let it shake you. Let it offend you. Let it wake you up. Because you deserve to live a powerful life. But that life is waiting on the other side of brutal honesty and uncomfortable truth. Let's begin. Rule 1. Train your brain to make more money. Your brain is the headquarters of your money, but most people have never trained it for wealth. Your brain is either a money machine solving problems, thinking clearly, and spotting opportunities, or a money blocker full of fear, excuses, procrastination, and limiting beliefs. The truth is, you're not broke because of your wallet. You're broke because of your mindset. And here's the scary part. Your brain doesn't care if you're rich or poor. It only cares about what you train it to believe, repeat, and chase. If your brain is trained to survive, it will avoid risks. If your brain is trained to complain, it will find problems. If your brain is trained to consume, it will stay lazy. But if you train it to focus, if you train it to build, solve, sell, and lead, then money starts coming to you. Not because it's magic, but because your mind becomes a magnet for value. Example: Liam had no money, no good family, and no lucky breaks. But he had one thing. He was sick of feeling poor. So every day before doing anything else, he trained his mind. He read just one page of a smart book. He said to himself, I will become valuable. He learned one new word in English. He practiced thinking, not just scrolling. He asked himself,